We really started overlanding and we opened it and introduced this lifestyle for the whole family. So it's wholesome kasi lumaki kami with my parents. Lumaki kaming ito yung lifestyle. So we want to share this even to my parents, lahat ng uncle ko, lahat. Yun yung lifestyle na na-experience namin nung childhood that we want to share to the people na who would like this lifestyle. Isa sa dream goal ko is to showcase the Philippines. Not only the people and the lifestyle, but ang pinaka-main dyan, bakit ba natin ginagawa to? We don't forget na kaya natin to ginagawa kasi we want to see the beauty of the Philippines. We have to showcase our country not only to the local tourists but also to the international level. No? Hindi pipitsugin ng Pilipinas. Mas marami kang mapupuntahang maganda na lugar sa Philippines. So, this is it. Paalis na tayo. We're going to Bicol. Drive cautiously, hindi tayo nagmamadali. We have buffer time. We have good schedule naman.
Driving is my passion. So, hanggang ngayon, hindi pa ako nagpapadrive na. May private driver o ano, ako pa rin. Nakakalimutan muna yung mga tampu-tampuan, away-away.
Problems.
Pag-uwi na lang ulit.
Business problems, nawawala na.
We're just enjoying.
Ginagawa namin to kasi parang tawag itong kinagisnan na namin with my parents. With my parents, we travel a lot. Pero wala pa yung ganong overlanding. They like to travel.
Dati akong mountaineers, then siguro tumatanda na rin. So, nung nalaman ko na may mga lumalabas sila once in a while, nakasali ako sa kanila. Then, na-build ko tong rig na.
I've been camping with the car even before they have the term overlanding. So I was just calling it camping. I look forward to peace. I look forward to recharging our social battery.
since outdoor person. So before, I was in kiteboarding. Tapos yung place namin, nagka-camping din kami. And then pandemic came. Actually, kabibili ko lang to before the pandemic. So yeah. So wala akong mapuntahan ng time na yan.
Oh, ever since mahilig naman talaga kami sa outdoors way years ago pa. And then nag-transition kami parang from backpacking to motorcycles and to overlanding kasi we just enjoy the outdoors. So ngayon lang it happens na overlanding naman yung pinasok namin. Pero nag-start talaga kami nung medyo overlanding na talaga na full setup nung na-meet namin si Sir Tim of Mototesto.
Mahilig kaming gawin tong lifestyle to travel and explore and see the beauty of the Philippines. Nung nagkaroon ng opportunity that we travel with friends, naisip namin why not let's show the Filipino people kung gaano kaganda talaga ang Philippines.
I was always adventurous. Lagi ako nasa outdoor. Gusto ko talaga outdoor. Gusto ko nag-adventure ako sa mga bundok. Nagustuhan ko siya kasi it can take me anywhere I want. So yun yung time na sabi ko, this is gonna be my lifestyle. Gusto ko part ako ng nature. If there's gonna be a group of people, gusto ko parehas kami ng likes.
Blessed pa rin kami. Nararamdaman pa namin at this age yung ganito, hindi ka pa nahirapan maglakad, hindi ka pa nagmamaniya. It's one of a kind of experience na should everybody na maranasan din sana. Maganda. At napakaraming magandang sceneries dito sa Pilipinas. Dito ang daming maganda. Katulad na lang itong Binurong Point, oh.
First time na gusto mag-try, siguro isip ko, they have to join the group, even maski na hindi sila magdala ng sasakyan nila, para makita nila, ano kaya to? Baka kung hindi nila pala thing yan, baka sayang lang mag-suit up, bumili ng tent or whatever. Pala, they won't like it.
First time as beginner, maganda naman kasi yung mga pinupuntahan ni Mototesto. Then very family oriented. So hindi masama na sama mo rin yung mga anak mo, asawa mo.
Gusto kong sabihin na wag nang daanan yung mga pinagdaanan namin na nag-start tapos palit ng palit. Pero nandun yung enjoyment. Nag-start ka ng ganito, tapos matatapos ka na yung gusto mo na talaga.
Make friends sa mga overlanders, matatagal na, tsaka yung talk to them, kung ano yung mga needs talaga, careful sa budol. Yun. Siguro try nyo muna and then feel nyo kung it's for you or what kind of car camping gusto. Kung gusto nyo lang car camping sa mga park or private property or sa yung raw, mga ganun. Diba? And then from there, malalaman mo na kung ano yung needs mo eh. So makikita mo na rin from your friends na kasama sa overlanding.
If you're looking for time and your excuse wala kasing time, hindi ka magkakaroon ng time. You have to make time. Hindi importante na kailangan meron kang multi-million na vehicle para gawin to. Any car that you have, you can use that for overlanding. Just need to know what's the limit of your vehicle.